When planning how to manage family wealth, you will often hear about FLPs and trusts. Let's look at the core differences between them. Both strategies help families organize assets, but they function in very different ways under the law. An FLP acts like a family business, while a trust creates a fiduciary relationship to manage assets for beneficiaries. Family limited partnerships generally require more ongoing administrative effort, such as tax filings and annual meetings, compared to many standard trusts. Investors often look at FLPs when they have an active business and want to keep control within the family while shifting ownership. Trusts are frequently chosen for their flexibility in setting rules for how and when money is distributed to beneficiaries. Regardless of the structure, both require a high standard of legal care to ensure they hold up under scrutiny. Always consult with a qualified estate attorney to see which structure aligns with your specific family goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, subscribe for more money basics and estate planning tips.